One interesting topic I get my attention is about the AI is the computer vision, and this is problem industrial. I forgot to build up right now. You see, I run the Jetson TX2, and there's a camera right there. Actually, right here in the room, you can see exactly what happened, but in the workshop or in the factory, they have some the forbidden area or the area no pedestrian or no people walk inside or no vehicle inside or some. Right here I built a tree area right here. You can see one no vehicles, no two people in this area, and no people walking in the red area, right? And you can see here is I when like some people violate come here and they trigger to send a ticket right here, right? That's the thing. Right from here, you can build the dashboard, you fit in, you analyze, and then you send the SR or send the people, okay? Or send the trigger to action to speakers to tell them something or, yeah, warning the people or something, okay? It's really cool, right? But actually right now I use the JSON TX2, but for in reality I am going to buy the DGS NVIDIA. It should be better with IP camera, but right here then demo for 3 area. Look at it. When it's, for example, this area, nobody in this area, right? So let's see. Let's see the trigger send the ticket right away if somebody go there. See, you see, yeah, you see I in the right area, and the trigger generate a ticket quickly. Okay, they say the one person right there, but it's similar for the for this area, for the area with the two people in this area. Okay, let's see. I had it two people. You see the trigger quickly. They had two people in the yellow line. Right. And similarly for the pink area, no people, no vehicle there. So let's see. Yep, you see, you detect quickly and send to the, you see, it send quickly. So it's very interesting, and it solves the problem in all the industry or with the safety issue, right? It's so interesting. But next time I will show you on the dashboard quickly.